So I tried with my gray chinos and it goes really well with that. I also tried with one of my bootcut denims. This is a dark color denims and I think this goes okayish with this also. It's not bad. With one of my distressed brown color chinos and trousers, whatever you want to call it. I really like the combination of the cream and the brown. I think it goes very well. It is more of like a dress. Again, one dark blue chinos or trousers. This is also looking good with this. You can wear it with a polo t-shirt or round neck t-shirt with this. I really like the comfort of the shoe and it is going very well with all type of trousers and denims. One more with a denim bootcut, but this bootcut had a little wide, or you can say a narrow bottom. So I just wanted to check. This is my favorite. I really like these shoes with these basic denims. This is Levi's jeans, a skinny fit, and I really like the look with this. I think this is one of my favorite from all the pairs of trousers jeans which I've worn. Thank you guys for watching this. If you really like the video, hit subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you.